Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I am going to use a base layer of Frostbite. Colors will be listed under the video. I actually want to go in from both sides, but now is not the time. Alright, so let's go for what I love the most. Red Violet. Whispering Wisteria. Pink Carnation. I don't usually layer them on top of each other. It's not my usual thing. Dancing Fuchsia. Indian Spice Gold, Prizm Pour. Plenty of that. I've got Orange Crush. There is probably a ton more color here than I need. I am certain of that. I was going to use Big Apple, but I don't think I'm going to. Oh, maybe a little won't hurt. Okay, now try and get a few bottles out of the way. I really wanted to put some of my new yellow color in there, but maybe I should not restrain myself. This yellow is made from Gone Bananas and one of the Acrylic pigments, Fiery Orange, I believe. Now, I've got a playing card, some black cell activator, and I think I'm going to let the color go over to the edge first. And back again. I actually like the design I've got. Let's spin it around. Make sure it goes to both sides. I could probably let it spread out. Let's see what that would look like. Let's do that for a minute. I love the design. I gotta remember to do this again. Alright, so now, in spite of loving that design, I'm gonna get rid of it with another playing card. With the same playing card? No, I need a new one. Actually, I'll just use this piece of acetate. Looks to be a perfect width. Let's give this a little bit of a cant. And remove the sweater fuzz, or cat hair, or whatever it was. Now, I've got turquoise, Atelier turquoise. And I want to use it. It's been a while. If there's any left in there. Usually goes great with these colors. going to use some Dancing Fuchsia and maybe even some red orange. Pull the little tab out of the top. Dancing Fuchsia is pure the pigment. Like I said, the colors will be listed underneath the video. I was curious as to know how that was going to actually materialize. Still am. I wonder if I've got a smaller card. I'm kind of interested in that. Well, first I'm going to do the center. Or am I? I'm loving that turquoise. So I'm thinking I'm going to do it again. If I can get some more to come out. My inclination is to go for purple, but I don't really have it handy, so I'm thinking maybe white instead, across from the black. Looks like I dragged too far down in both spots, but it sort of makes the design interesting. Oop, that needed to be shaken. Hopefully it'll still work. I wonder if that card is... no, it's too wide. I'm going to dump a little bit of that off. Just because... hey, just because I can. I think it's pretty. Some of my favorite colors in there, and I left a few little spots behind that I actually like a lot. Let's see if I need any drags. Maybe we'll hit it with a torch just to see what happens. That is that, as they say. I'm going to grab a Princeton neutral catalyst spatula or something. Use that paint that's flowing over the edge to complete the look on the end. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. I got a skewer. Looks like I'm dragging something. It's a cat hair, go figure. My wrecking is kind of simplistic compared to how elaborate people get. But I'm really liking all of this. I'm gonna have to put a spiral in just to couple. Once you start, it's hard to stop. Yep, one more spiral. dedicate this one to one of my fans. I think that's turning out pretty nicely. I'm going to shimmer it at you, hopefully. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.